Hey, what's up YouTube? It's your boy GoPro Warrior. Thanks so much for tuning in. Good to see you all guys again. I know it's been a while. And today we are going to install a Yamaha Roadstar Warrior exhaust. I ordered my new one from Pacific Coast Star. You know how it's with them. Waiting times are ridiculous. Pacific Coast Star, if you watch this video, you gotta change that, man. Otherwise, products are good. So in the meantime, I went to go see my boy Alex, who had the accident with his Turbo Warrior. He's got two Warriors, so he lent me his exhaust. This is actually an exhaust that I've never really seen on the bike. I mean, not on the bike, but on the Warrior. Very rare, not everybody has it, and I'm very, very curious and excited about installing this. Here it is. It actually looks just like the Victory ground pounders that you see on the Victory Vegas, the Hammer, the 8-ball, high balls, or whatever the names are. They're already wrapped, as you can see, titanium wrap. One of my favorites, always is good. Let me show you how to install an exhaust. It's really straightforward, super easy. And actually with this, there is no heat shields, it's extremely light. So this will be like a 5-minute job, and I show you how to do it the right way, alright? So stay tuned, it's your boy, GoPro Warrior. Run. The tools. I'm gonna show you what you need. You basically need torque wrench, torque specs in the back are 17 foot-pounds of torque, and in the front it's 14. Gaskets, you know, you can reuse yours. I have reused mine probably 3 or 4 times with no issues, you know, but now they look kind of bad. So I bought myself brand new gaskets. Go to partzilla.com or boats, I think it's .net or .com, I don't remember. It's basically the same company, but they run 2 websites, and you can get brand new OEM gaskets. Okay, these are copper crush gaskets right here. The OEM ones are the best. Since you're right there, get yourself a new set of bolts, brand new, and new set of front exhaust nuts, and you'll be all set. You're gonna need a 12mm hex socket. You can see this. That's 12 right here. 732s hex. Where's the camera? Just a ratchet, you know. That's about it. I just checked my little box here, and look what they gave me. A $100 wine voucher. I'm not a wine drinker. I like more like vodka, scotch, you know. Take your girl out, take a little wine time, if you know what I mean. So let's get right to it, and I'm going to show you how to install the exhaust. Alright, what I like to do is, before I install the gaskets, I like to use copper spray gasket. It's a high temperature copper sealant for these gaskets, you know, to basically be proactive and prevent, you know, any kind of leaks or anything. It helps a lot. I never had a problem with any of my gaskets. I don't know if it's do this or not, because I always use this since the very beginning. Lots of more experienced people than me actually recommending that stuff. And if you know another product that, you know, is also good for these types of things, comment below, I want to know, you know, but I always use this one. Alright, so you want to spray the copper sealer on both sides of the gasket. Now if you spray the, it's already sprayed on, but if you spray it on there, it will actually help you with the gasket. Once you put it inside the exhaust header, it will prevent the gasket from just falling out, because it like kind of sticks to it. Alright guys, we take our crushed gasket and just stick it in here. I already wiped everything inside off, clean it up, but that's it. So now let's move over to the front. Alright guys, time to put the second gasket in there. So we sprayed it again with copper sealant. Put it in the hole. That's what she said. And alright, let's put on the exhaust. Alright guys, let's move over to the next part. Grab your exhaust. And the front and the back, they have these bolts sticking out here for the nuts. Put one side in first and the other one. All right. See? That was easy, right? All right, guys, everything sits nicely. Now let's move over to the next part, and this is torquing the bolts and the nuts. These nuts! All right, it's time to put in your bolts. So put in the first, make sure it goes in straight. So we will screw the bolts in for now, but we're not going to tighten them. First, screw them in, make sure that they are straight. Okay. How can you make sure that they're straight? Well, you will see that they go in very smoothly. You don't have to use any force to turn your bolts. So let's move over to the front. Alright, so now take your nuts. Now take your 12 millimeter. Grab a little extension or so. Alright, warriors. So it's time to torque the bolts and the nuts. So the torque specs on the bolts here in the rear exhaust are 17 foot-pounds of torque. 17, and the front will be 14. And let's go for it. 13 now, 14, 15, 16.8. There we go. 17. And 17. Alright guys, let's tighten the front. Make sure the nuts and everything sit tight first before you start torquing. See, this is still loose over here. But once you feel it grabbing really nicely, that's when you start torquing again. Alright. I'm starting to feel the resistance. Alright. Remember, 14, okay? There we go. Ta-da! 14. Next one. Alright. Alright, here's the end result. Looks pretty dope, man. I gotta say, I like the look on the bike. It's different. I can't start it yet because I don't have the Dynatec Fusion installed yet. That will be done first thing tomorrow. Since I have the pipes now, I was waiting for the pipes to come before, you know, it's no point for me to install the fuel tune if I don't have an exhaust at all. So I gotta say, man, this looks pretty fucking dope. Look at that. Alright? Put the fat wheel in the back. Woohoo, baby. Can't wait to ride, man. I haven't ridden in like 2 months or so. Look at that. Nice wrap, good job on the wrap. Yeah. Love it. Alright guys, this was our how to install a Warrior, Yamaha Warrior exhaust. And like I said, it was very simple and straightforward. There was no science to it. Now I gotta take that little bracket off right there from my old exhaust, and I'll be ready to go. So the next video that I'm going to make will be about you know, how to install a fuel tuner. In my case, it's the Dynatec Fusion, and then I'll be ready for a ride. Finally, this beast will be taken out on the road, and then I'm gonna give you guys another video of a sound check of these badass pipes, man. Look how they look like. They're wrapped. Badass. Right? Comment below. Tell me how you like this exhaust. And other than that, I see you guys in the next video. And if you know somebody who can benefit from this video, share it with him, you know. And comment below, subscribe, smash that button. And I see you guys next time. It's your boy, GD Warrior. And don't forget, don't fucking die.